Hello and welcome to this Rocky Rabbit tutorial, and this tutorial is titled Upgrades Not Always Automatic. These 3 things you need to always do. Yes, if this is your first time, I want to say a big thank you to you. I appreciate you so much. And for all returning subscribers, merci beaucoup, gracias. Alright, remember to subscribe, like and share this video, and also smash the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I drop the next important video for you. Also, I want to see your comments. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know what level you are playing at, which tournament, and what level are you playing with Rocky Rabbit, and what challenges are you facing. I'm about to address a challenge that I've read a complaint in the comments. So make sure you leave your own comments and tell me what challenge you are facing, and I'm going to create a video to address that. So this video is aimed at addressing a challenge about upgrades. You know, upgrades are not automatic in Rocky Rabbit. Always, they're not automatic. You have to initiate them. And here are the things you need to do. These 3 things are very critical. First off, you need to always learn to tap. Okay? And when you exhaust your tap, like I have 15,000 energy limits here. As I exhaust it now, I'm going to go back here, go to the boost section. Now, each time you upgrade, the energy refill free daily booster is increased. Right now, if you notice that mine is 8/10 right now. Alright, yours might be 3/3 or 5 or 6 or 7, depending on what level you're at. So that's number 1. So, and then as I grab this refill, now for the turbo mode, you always have 3/3 for now. I don't know whether at any point in time whether they will increase it, but for now it's 3/3, irrespective of your level and the tournament you are playing at. So what I normally would do, I could pick one, like I've not picked any for today, but I've used, this is the 3rd full energy I'm refilling right now. Alright, so, and as I'm picking right now, because I'm in a hurry right now, I need to take the turbo, because the turbo is going to make it easy for me. So as soon as I activate the turbo now, you will see how fast, as soon as the turbo seizes, you will see that even the 15,000 will almost be, near 0. Yes, if not, look at it. Okay, I didn't tap fast enough, so he has taken about 10,000 out of it. But if I've tapped fast enough, what I would have seen here might be even 0. Like the one I did maybe late yesterday or so. I just was so fast, and I was able to drive it to 0. So always tap, because tapping boosts your points here. And these points here now, remember I said the title of this video is that the upgrades are not always automatic. So the tapping helps to give you points. Like so far, I've generated about 110 million points, right? However, what do I have here? 17 million plus. What have they been used for? So you see my profit, my income was about 280.2k. These coins are used for upgrading. So we're going to do something now. Now, by the time you notice, if you had noticed earlier before this video, you see that there was some percentage, on this point, and we're going to see it next as soon as we upgrade to the next level. You upgrade to the next level as soon as you see upgrade. Alright, it's going to be refilling, and we'll show you the meter until the meter is this is full. Then it shows you upgrade, and when you see upgrade, that's the only time you now come to tap here to upgrade, and it takes you to the card you need to buy to upgrade. Like here, and I'm going to pay for Aken tournament. All right, and this one, our hourly income is 5 plus 5,208 per hour, and I'm going to be paying 8.3 million. That's what those points are for. Use these points to buy the cards that will push your profit per hour or income per hour, and also boost your level. Right now, if I do this now, I'm still on the Aken tournament, right? And I'm going to be upgraded to level 6 until it gets to level 10 before you now move into the next tournament. Do you understand? So upgrades are not automatic. You have to effect them. If you don't effect them, you keep tapping and tapping. Like I tapped and tapped and tapped and tapped until I had almost 80 million. It's the 80 million that I will use to now, in one video, begin to upgrade to level 1, level 2, level 3. If you check the tutorial, basic tutorials, I think either part 2 or 3, you see where I was just upgrading in one video. I'm going to upgrade up to 3 levels in one video. Why? Because I had accumulated so much points that I never used. So, and I know that many people also are experiencing that. I was just doing that, being so busy, not taking time to study this to understand. So I studied that and I found out that I needed to use that to upgrade. So that's when I upgraded. So now let's quickly do this upgrade now and get to level 6. And so as soon as we get to level 6, the next thing we're going to do is to now check. You can see now you now have 96%. So it's showing you 96% now, level 6. Right? 96%, meaning that it won't be long and level 6 will be completed. So it won't be long, meaning we might even be in this video and complete this level 6 right now if by the time I finish the things I want to do. So if you tap here and tap here, and so we exhaust that, so we can't boost again right now. So we have to wait for like 26 minutes for this to happen. Meanwhile, we can tap here and let's see where it will take us to. Let's tap here. Okay, sorry. This will just bring us back here. So let me go back. I want to. So if you tap here, it won't take you anywhere because it's not yet full. It's still that the meter is showing you 96% completed. So until it completes, but you can go to the My section and begin to buy cards or claim cards. Like now, this one is at level 4, strength and endurance training. So I can claim it. All right, is it level 4? Let me check again. I didn't see well. Yes, that's level 4. So I can tap on it and upgrade it. And then let's check if that's level 5 now. Take it to level 6. The network. Okay, so that's done. Now we have moved. That's now entered to endurance training has entered now to level 2 based on strength and endurance training, getting to level 6. So we just grab that, and the fees for these ones are cheap. So you can use that to keep on boosting up. And now let's go on and check now. Now this has dropped to now it has dropped because our coin balances. You see our coin balances have dropped. So that's why it's back to 95. So if you want to pause buy and let this coin grow, because if you check here, let's tap here and see, can we find how many coin balances at this level 6 we need to upgrade to the next level. Let's check. No information on that. And so there's no information I can find on that. So what I'll just recommend is you wait and let the coin balance to rise. I thought I could see how much of the coin balance. Okay, let's see, check here. You know, that's for languages. Okay, I think that what will happen here is we have to keep tapping until, because we have used a chunk of that funds to upgrade. So we will wait for this to accumulate again, to rise again. So, and buying cards will reduce it, even though it will increase our income per profit, or rather income per hour rather. All right, so increase your income per hour. Increase your hourly income for 3 hours to store your points without needing to revisit. 1 hour for 3 levels. Okay, so no, I don't want to pay for that yet. So let's go back here. So what we just do is that we have to keep watching, monitoring this until it gets full, it becomes full again, and then upgrade will come up. Then we can now tap on it to upgrade. Okay, and when that happens, we're going to come back and push that up. So remember that upgrades are not automatic. You need to tap and build up your line and stretch it till it's full. Once this is full, you get to the 7th level. All right, from the 7th level you get to until it gets to 10th level. Once the tournament gets to 10th level, then the tournament is completed, and then you move on to the next tournament and you start at level 0 again. So always check here. For those who complain that you keep on upgrading but they still show you 0, probably you are not observing this. This is the Arcane tournament. If I tap on it, go back, Enigma tournament before that. Before Enigma, you had Spectre. Before Spectre, you had Ember. Before Ember, you had Freshman. Before Freshman, you had Newcomer. So Newcomer is the beginning. So at Newcomer, if you have not gotten to level 10 on Newcomer, you won't get to the next level, which is Freshman. And Freshman has to get to level 10 for you to move to Ember tournament, and Ember tournament you have to move to level 10 for you to get to the next level, which is Enigma. Spectre tournament, from Spectre to Enigma, and from Enigma to where I am right now. So from there to where I am right now, Enigma to where I am right now, and then Aken. So at Aken now, we are at level 6 now. So 95% where it is now, 5% more, and it gets to level 7. So when this gets to level 7, you will now have, gets to level 10, it will now graduate to the next level completed. You get to Apex tournaments. So from Apex tournaments, you get to Vanguard, and from Vanguard to Zenith. Now each of them have 10. Each of them has a 10 levels. So for each tournament, you move up to 10 levels. So where it is right now, I have to wait for it to fill up, and then I move on. I buy some cards again. Now, you don't need to search for the card to buy. All you just need is, just once it's full and shows you upgrade, you tap on upgrade. It shows you the card, it takes you the exact card to buy. And if such cards are yet to be completed for that upgrade, you keep on upgrading and upgrading until it's completed. Then you will now move on to the next level. I hope this makes some sense. If you don't still understand, or you have any area you want me to clarify, please leave it in the comments, and I'll take it up from there and create something. So now that the level 6 has got to 100% now, you see that it's showing upgrade. So at this point, what you now need to do is to now tap on the upgrade, and it takes you to the card you need to upgrade to buy, to upgrade to level 7. Remember that each tournament moves from level 1 up to level 10. So as soon as this enters level 7 now, you will start calculating again. Just tap and upgrade first. Okay, so it moves to level 7, level 7 right now from level 6. You can see 3% now. So this has to continue moving. Okay, now you tap again and keep tapping and pushing it up. Remember now, he has used up the entire 9 million plus here to buy that card. Alright, you rewind the video and you see how much it took, about 9.4 million or so. He has used that to buy the card that pushed it up to level 7. Now you are still in the I'm still in the Aken tournament, and it will only move from this Aken tournament to the next tournament, which is if you tap on this, from the Aken tournament it goes to the Apex tournament. So it will, until Aken tournament gets to level 10, that's when it completes the tournament. So every tournament has the levels from level 1 to 10. Okay, so now this one now is it's at 3% completion. You have to keep on playing, keep on gathering the points until it does. So now, if I want to make this fast, all I'll just do is I say have a boost. I'll just collect the free boost turbo, and then quickly grab that and use it within a few seconds of tapping at plus 80. Once this goes down, you see that the 12,000 that is there would have depleted to maybe remaining. Okay, look at what is going now. Even at that, because I'm not fast enough, so that's why you see remaining up to 4,000. But if I'm fast enough in it, they would have remained up to maybe remaining less than 1,000 or even 0. And now you can see that with that now, the point that has pushed this up to 4% from 3%. So you have to keep on tapping. And at any point right now, we have to wait for 7 minutes for full energy to be free again to collect, and then we're able to now tap again until now. While away, if you're away, it will keep on working offline, right? You keep on working offline, and as the points are gathering, so it's pushing it up to, once you get to 100%, then it is full. Then it allows you to upgrade. You tap on upgrade again, you present the card for you to buy and upgrade. And of course, you must have enough coins to pay for the card to upgrade. You get it now. So if I go to mine and look for that card, go to tournaments, Aken tournaments, scroll up, you can see that I've completed the newcomer tournament. freshman tournament, Ember tournament. This is Spectre tournament, Enigma tournament. I am currently at Arcane tournament. So if I want to get to level 8, if you tap on it, there's no enough funds, insufficient funds. You get that? So the funds have to be up to 10,533,552 for me to graduate to the next level, which is level 8 of this same tournament. Understand the tournaments, understand the level for each tournament. I will be explaining this in the next tutorial. God bless you. Remember to like and share the video, and let me know in the comments if you are gaining understanding on this, or if there's any gray area you still want me to clarify further. Let me know in the comments. Thank you. Like, share, and let's talk in the next video. God bless you.